Let's talk about this super absorbent, super soft bath mat. This is a standard bath mat. I picked it up from Amazon and I like it a lot. I was using a towel on the floor and it was just too messy, sometimes slippery, and the towel would stay wet for hours and hours and hours. This, however, is super absorbent, very thick, very soft to the touch. I've been using this for about 2 weeks now, and as you can see, it's nice and flexible, still clean, still ready to go. It does have a rubber back, so it is non-slip. It will not go anywhere. We've had multiple people in our house use the shower, come out, and this thing has still felt very dry. And the way it does that, it just has all these little trees or little, almost like little people heads on it, and they're the things that actually absorb the water instead of just like a woven rug. They're nice and thick. You can push them down, you can push them up, it kind of moves around a little bit. This is machine washable as well if you want to. If it gets dirty or just gets a little grungy, you can go ahead and throw it in the washing machine, go ahead and dry it out, and you're ready to put it back down. Comes in a whole bunch of different colors. Again, I use another one of these upstairs as well, and I really like it. It's just a really nice, good shower rug. Works well, non-slip, exactly what you want in a shower rug. This is the one to buy. I highly recommend it.